Hi friends, how are you all? Hope you're all fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this videos. Very beautiful and stylish button details, dresses designs, mother of the bride, bodycon dresses. Lovely viewers, today you will see in this video new stylish plain bodycon dresses, laces long mixed dresses, laces blouses designs, laces skirt dresses. So dear viewers, you will see new all outstanding different dresses designs. So if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. I have uploaded new attractive button details, bodycon dresses designs, office wear, party wear and evening wear unique dresses designs. If you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring new stylish button details, dresses designs. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Lovely viewers, you will find hundreds of new all stylish different dresses design. So dear viewers, I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new modern button details, plain button details, dresses designs. So dear viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download it my videos. And you like this one dresses design, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. So dear viewers, many more beautiful dresses designs, different colors, different fabrics and different designing videos. I will meet you in next video. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.